In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check if two-step verification is active on Telegram using your PC. This is a quick but important security check because two-step verification helps protect your Telegram account with an extra password on top of your normal login code. If you use Telegram for personal chats, groups, business, or even channel management, knowing whether this feature is turned on can save you a lot of trouble later. And before we begin, if you find this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Telegram on your PC and wait for it to fully load. Once you're inside the app, look to the top left corner and click the hamburger menu, which is the icon with 3 horizontal lines. This opens Telegram's main menu. From there, click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, look for the option called Privacy and Security and click it. This section is where Telegram keeps your account protection and login related settings. Now scroll through the options until you find the two-step verification section. This is the part you need to check carefully. If two-step verification is enabled, you'll see options such as change password and disable cloud password. That's the clearest sign that the feature is already active on your account. If you see those options, it means Telegram has a cloud password set up and your account is protected with an additional layer of security. If you do not see those options, then two-step verification is likely not enabled yet, and you may want to turn it on for better account protection. This is especially useful if someone ever gets access to your login code because the extra password helps keep your account secure. If you want, you can also click into that section to review your recovery email or password settings, depending on what Telegram shows on your device. The main thing to remember is this. On PC, the presence of change password and disable cloud password means two-step verification is active. That's all you need to confirm it quickly without going through a long setup process. So now you know exactly how to check two-step verification on Telegram on your computer. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next simple tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.